Shopify has moved well beyond being just a digital storefront. In 2026, the platform has fundamentally shifted toward a commerce as an operating system model. If you're still running your store like it's 2024, you're leaving a massive amount of efficiency on the table. Hey, I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and today we're breaking down the 5 massive updates that are redefining the Shopify ecosystem this year. The first feature we'll talk about is Shopify Sidekick's full autonomy. Sidekick is no longer just a chatbot, it's a proactive business analyst. It now executes autonomic merchandising, meaning it identifies underperforming SKUs and automatically adjusts discounts or reorders stock based on predictive demand. Instead of waiting for you to pull a report, Sidekick analyzes your historical velocity and real-time traffic to execute promotional pivots. It doesn't just suggest the work, it handles the heavy lifting in the background so you can focus on the creative direction of your brand rather than the minutia of inventory management. The second feature is the new product variant architecture. For years, the 100 variant limit was a major bottleneck for high complexity brands. In 2026, Shopify's redesigned API allows for virtually unlimited variant combinations without compromising page load speeds. They've moved to a dynamic variant engine that renders complex configurations on the fly using edge computing. This means you can offer thousands of combinations, size, color, material, and custom add-ons, all on a single product page without the back-end bloat. It's a complete overhaul of how product data is structured and served to the customer. Thirdly, we come to native A/B testing rollouts. You can finally stop paying for third-party split testing apps. Shopify has rolled out native A/B testing directly into the online store editor. You can now deploy parallel front ends, serving different versions of your homepage or checkout to segmented audiences and viewing real-time attribution data directly in your Shopify analytics. It's a closed-loop optimization system. The fourth hidden Shopify feature worth looking into in 2026 is Agentic Commerce and AI Storefronts. This is the big pivot. Storefronts are now optimized for AI agents, not just human browsers. Your store now serves structured metadata, specifically designed for shopping bots to find, compare, and purchase your products on behalf of users. It's an invisible layer of commerce that ensures your products are the first ones picked by personal AI assistants across the web. And lastly, ShopPay's predictive liquidity. ShopPay has integrated an instant funding layer that functions on predictive modeling. Based on your real-time sales velocity and seasonal trends, the system calculates your future capital needs and offers predictive credit lines directly at the point of sale. If a product starts trending, ShopPay offers an immediate capital injection to restock before you ever hit a stock out. It's an autonomic financial system that ensures your growth is never capped by your current cash on hand. The landscape is changing fast, and staying on top of these updates is the only way to stay competitive. If you want to keep your store at the cutting edge of 2026 tech, hit that subscribe button. I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and I'll see you in the next one.